the KAJ kids. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my favorite Thai dessert, mango sticky rice. It's actually not that complicated, so let's come over to the counter and I'll show you how to make it.
To start off, get out 1 cup of sticky rice and pour it into a pot. Next, you're going to want 1 cup of water and you pour it into the pot with your rice. You're going to let that sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, after your 20 to 30 minutes, do not dump the water in the pot. Okay, next you're going to add a half a cup more water. Pour that in with the rice. You're also going to add a half a cup of coconut milk. So, okay, just a little bit more. Just wipe that edge. Okay, we probably have about a half a cup in there. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And we're gonna stir well. Now, you should look around like this. Now we're gonna bring our mixture to a gentle boil. So turn on your oven stove and let it wait till it boils. Afterwards, you're gonna put the lid. Okay, once it's at a gentle boil like this, turn down the heat and cover with a lid, but allow some steam to escape. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until the rice has absorbed all your mixture. After that, turn off the heat but leave the pot on. After you're done simmering your rice, allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and turn your burner off. After your rice has been sitting there for 5 to 10 minutes, you can set it aside and it's good to go. Next, we're gonna make the sauce. Okay, you're gonna heat your pan on medium-low heat and pour in the rest of your coconut milk. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna add some brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir to dissolve the brown sugar into your milk. Keep this on medium-low heat for 5 minutes and taste test. If it's not sweet enough, add more sugar. Otherwise, keep it as it is. Now your rice and your sauce are ready. Now it's time to cut up your mango. So take 2 or 1 mangoes and cut them up. Slice them and prepare them in a dish with a scoop of rice and pour your sauce on top of the rice. Put your mango on one side, your rice on another, pour the sauce over, and there you have mango sticky rice. So here's my mango sticky rice. As you can see, mango, rice, and my sauce is on top of my rice, and it is so delicious. So thank you for watching and enjoy your mango sticky rice. Bye!